Yes, I'm Roman, and in today's video, I will tell you why you should learn a foreign language. Let's go. Number one, it is exercise for the brain. And we all know that exercising is good for the body. There's physical exercising and there's also mental exercising. And studying a foreign language is one such way of exercising the brain. In fact, you can even improve your capacity to memorize things because learning a new language means that you have to remember a lot of vocabulary, rules, nuances. Furthermore, your brain will develop deciphering skills, how to quickly read and analyze texts in different languages. And this is even more pronounced when you study a foreign language that is completely different from your own. For example, a speaker of English who studies Japanese, Arab, Russian, etc. Number two, learning a foreign language is said to slow down, not quite prevent, but nonetheless impact dementia. And the research says it's thought that the activities that develop cognitive reserve work because they increase the robustness of your brain's architecture, enriching blood flow, enhancing the activity of neurons and putting more of your brain to use. This may make up for the loss of deceased parts of the brain. Number three, you learn new ways of expressing yourself. Each language has unique ways and expressions that allow for its speakers to express themselves. For example, in French, the expression is not something that you can easily translate in English because je ne sais quoi speaks about something that's unexplainable. It has a certain quality that you can't quite put your fingers on. You understand? And another example is this video that I did here showing different sounds that we make in Jamaica, which is a part of our communication system. Number four, employability. By speaking a foreign language, you have much more employment opportunities before you. You are not just limited to jobs that are based in your language. So if you're in a country as an IT technician and you cannot find a job, why not look for a job in another country with another language? That's another market. Furthermore, even if you plan to stay in your own country, the fact that you speak a foreign language simply means that you are more marketable. Because if the employer were to take you on and that employer for some reason has to do some sort of international business, they could take advantage of your skills and of course pay you more. Number five, your social life can improve. When you speak just one language, then your friend group is limited to those who speak the language. However, when you start to learn other foreign languages, then you realize that your friend group expands. In fact, even if you're thinking about getting a partner, your partner could come from another country, another culture, and speak another language. Sixth and last, learning a foreign language is fun. I don't know how to make that any simpler. Learning a foreign language is fun. It's amazing. And hear what? It doesn't matter what age you are, you can learn a foreign language. You just need time, motivation, and passion. And lastly, there are some persons who like to say that I am not made for languages, I'm not gifted. It's not about being gifted. Yes, perhaps someone has an affinity for learning languages, but if that person does not put in the work, then nothing will be gained. So at the end of the day, learning a foreign language is all about working, effort. Nothing in life comes easy. It all comes with work. Driving a car. I'm not made to drive a car. No, so I will not. No, you just have to put in the work. Anyways, that's it, guys. What languages are you learning? When did you start? And what languages do you plan to learn in the future? Let me know in the comments down below. And like this video, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.